Do you want to know how you can keep DeepL as your Chrome extension? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add DeepL as an extension on your Chrome browser. Go ahead and open DeepL.com on your Chrome browser and click on the three lines which is on the right hand side of your screen. Now click on Chrome extension, which you can see. Click on it. It will lead you to Chrome extension page where you can click add to Chrome. So go ahead and click add to Chrome and then click add extension. After a while, you can see that DeepL Translate will be downloaded and installed. So go ahead and skip the process of signing in or logging in. So go ahead and click skip, press next, and you can see that DeepL has been added as an extension. Now to view, go to this extension and you can see that it is over here. You can click on it and it is fully functionable now. I hope this video about how you can add DeepL's extension in Chrome was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.